Round 2 of the last moral standing brings us to a classic event of the series, the balancing. The classic event has been here ever since the start of the last moral standings, and today it is back for season 16 here in Dublin in Ireland, the capital city, and we're about to find out how the Shamrockers will go as the host. And you see event 1 standings, and there they are. They will be doing this reverse championship order today, so hopefully some of those teams down the bottom like Blazers, Sweet and Sours, Burning Flares, Amazing Elements, hopefully they can do something to the event to catch back up to like the Honeybees, Tide Pools, the host, Blue Spirals, Hurricanes, so on. You can see our first heat of the day will be with the Blazers, who dominated the qualifiers. So how well can they go today? We'll get one finisher and a couple of decent results. So they'll start out with a 439. So not a bad benchmark. It's now Sweet and Sours. It's a bit slow out the gate. But look at that! Sweet and Sours, 630. What a benchmark. Burning Flares now, and that is not good. 435. Dead last for the Burning Flares. Now here comes the Amazing Elements. How can they go? 438. So that will be slowly into third for the Amazing Elements right now. Just now we head to the 12th to 9th rank, starting off with bananas. And we have a 2 finishers. Nay will take over second place. Blazers are down to third now. Coral Reefs. And oh, they just missed out. They will happily take P1 for now. Coral Reefs. Can they get the gold medal they've been waiting for? Lavenders are trying to stop this. And they do the same mistake. And now it looks like we have a little bit of a fit off. So unless someone else gets all finishes, we're going to have a tiebreaker. Bowl bashers now. And they will take over third. So far, so that's good. Here come the asteroids. They run the mid pack and they will take over third. We here. Good for the asteroids. Now Hawaiians. How can this go? Not good. Not good at all. That's all I'm going to say. Red Powders. We'll get 2 finishers. And they will climb to their way to their table by getting 6th place here. Another 6th place. But I don't think that's going to last any longer. Hurricanes. We'll only get 1 finisher. Some decent results. They were thrown in 8th we're here. For the Hurricanes, not bad. Now the Blue Spirals, who also hasn't come in balancing for a while, will think. They will take over 7th. So some veterans. That's starting to fall down to the bottom. But now the top 3, here we go. It's the wall from the crowd, the Shamrockers. Trying to do something here, and they will. And they would just miss out on the podium in 4th. But what a great start for the Shamrockers. Now, Tide Pools. last season champions. How can they go? Ooh. And I believe they will take over 4th now as well. So Asteroids are still in 3rd. But no, the last event winners, Honeybees. How can they go? They'll get 2 finishes. And they will miss out on the podium. So Asteroids will get the bronze. But no, our tiebreaker. Lavenders will start us off. Two finishes. Now last Coral Waves. Can they get more than 2 finishes? Yeah, they already get 2 finishes, but they will get more points on the table than the Coral Waves. The last time they won was all the way back in season 5, I believe. But now they get the gold medal here today. Lavenders will get the silver. And the Asteroids, they return to the league. And they will grab a bronze out of it. Well done. And is the overall standings? No, they are. It is still anyone's game here. But we'll be looking at the Coral Waves and see if they can continue the stretch that they have been going on for. So let's see if the Coral Waves can continue what they have been doing. Event 3 will be coming up next, the cardboard race. So let's see how well that will go. Let's see how the championship will shake up next.